Hello my friends, Miss Berlin here. For morning meeting, we are going to have a little science experiment. You need your science notebook and a pencil. I am going to show you an object and I want you to write down observations. Now, an observation is what you notice. A helpful way to make an observation is to use your 5 senses. So what do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? You can't really taste, so don't use that one. And you can't really use feel either. But using your senses is a great way to make observations. So what do you notice? All right, I am going to light the object. Alright, my friends, what do you notice about this object? Maybe you could make a prediction on what you think this object is. Okay. Now what do you think this object is? We are going to be sharing our observations in the class, and then I will reveal to you what this object actually was.